So, AI tools are getting closer to humans day by day. Even creators like myself are using AI-generated voices for our videos. Programmers, too, are leveraging AI to help write and improve their code. Surprisingly, I haven't made a video on this topic yet, but today, that's going to change. In this video, I'll ask ChatGPT to write a piece of code, and then we'll test it together to see if it works. So stick around and don't miss a thing. First, I'll open Chrome and head over to ChatGPT's website. Once there, I'll ask it to write some code for me. Specifically, I'll ask it to create an Arduino script for the ESP8266, where I'll control 3 LEDs. Now, sometimes ChatGPT makes minor mistakes, so I tend to write a detailed request to make sure everything is clear. Even though it's powered by GPT-4, which usually understands well without needing too much detail, I like to be thorough just in case. And look at that. It's generating the code as we speak. The code is coming together incredibly fast, and it's adding all the details I requested. The result looks like something a professional programmer would write, clean, neat, and with helpful comments throughout. ChatGPT doesn't just give you the code, it also explains each step and what you need to do next. Now that the code is ready, I'm going to copy it and paste it into the Arduino IDE. We'll come back to handling the code later, but for now, I'm going to set up the hardware and make the necessary connections. I'm using this breadboard to make all the connections, and here's the Node MCU ESP866 board. I'll be connecting all the components to the breadboard, including a buzzer and 2 LEDs. Once everything is set up, I'll connect it to my computer using a USB cable. Now in the code, I'm changing the SSID and password to match my Wi-Fi network. You'll need to enter your own details when you do this. Everything looks good so far, so I'm selecting the correct board and port and then uploading the code. After that, I open the serial monitor, where I can see the IP address the ESP8266 is using. I'll copy that and paste it into my browser. And here we are. The website is loading. It doesn't look great, but I'll fix that later. For now, let's check if it's working as expected or not. So here it is. Everything's working perfectly. But the website's design needed a little improvement. Instead of doing it manually, I asked ChatGPT to handle that as well, and look at the result. It looks much better now. As we've seen today, AI tools like ChatGPT are getting incredibly advanced, not only helping with code but also refining designs and solving complex problems. Whether you're a creator, a programmer, or just someone curious about technology, AI is becoming an essential tool that's making tasks easier and more efficient. It's amazing how quickly these tools are evolving, and I'm excited to see where they'll take us next. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting experiments with AI in the future.